Let me tell you about the Lotus Trolley Bags. This is a family-owned company that created these wonderful trolley bags to make your shopping experience more eco-friendly and to keep your items in order. So you place the bags in your cart and you are able to separate your order, and you do not have to waste plastic bags. So wonderful set. This is a set of 4, and I'm going to show you the produce bags as well. So these produce bags, they are reusable. Instead of putting your produce in the plastic bags, you have the option to place them in these reusable produce bags. They come in different sizes, and look at how cute these colors are. They are washable, you can reuse them, they're great. Okay, so before I head to checkout, I just wanted to show you guys my cart. And if you look here, you see that I'm using the Lotus Trolley Bags. This is the club size. So as you could see, I was able to just lift the bags out of the cart and put them right in my car. I just wanted to point out too that while in the cart, they connect with this Velcro closure. And yeah, just lift out of the cart and put it in the car. Love it, love it, love it, love it.